Hello everyone, my name is Tecting here, and now, well, let's talk about ROG. This monitor is the monitor, Microsoft, and we bought some new computer, but it's made by late in 2023, but. This computer is bought in on Christmas back in 2020, and it look old, but it's just been denoised, but look old. It's just belonged by made by the HD, and now it's just like the monitor. It's belongs to each one. These public and navigation. It belonged to them. It belonged to from the Harvey Norman. It's from a Harvey Norman, but it won't turn on. But it won't just turn on anymore. And now with mom bought a U one, but my mom is just bought a U computer. Made by Samsung. It's something. I used to say Samsung. Okay. Sorry, my nose is blame. Sorry, I was laughing. Look at this. If this is gone, but. It never gonna happen, but it look old and it's just really disappointing. But see, it says please power down and connect the PCIe power cable for all the graphic card. You see, it's just really old, but it won't work anymore because it's dead. But now this is it's just really disappointing, but screen is just thank you, mean Lord. Sorry, meanwhile. God, and now look at it. It's all because it look old, but well, it's tomorrow. They're gonna replace the computer tomorrow, but and sorry, I'm about to just keep going on. Yep, thank you, and now it's gonna be tomorrow. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the channel. Please share. See you the next time. Bye bye.